Transferring a car title in Maryland is all about getting the right documents ready and filling them out correctly. Let's walk through it step by step. First, you'll need the original certificate of title. If it's lost, stolen, or damaged, you'll have to request a replacement before you can move forward. You'll also need a bill of sale that includes the car's make, model, year, VIN, the names of the buyer and seller, the sale price, and the date of sale. Have proof of Maryland Auto Insurance, a safety inspection certificate that's less than 90 days old, and if the car had a loan, a line release letter. You'll also need to complete the MVA's VR005 form, provide an odometer reading, and have a passing emissions test if it's required for your vehicle. When it comes to filling out the title, take your time. Use black or blue ink, write clearly, and avoid any crossouts or corrections because the MVA won't accept them. On the back of the title, the seller should fill in their full legal name, address, odometer reading, sale price, date of sale, and signature. The buyer will add their full legal name, address, driver's license number, date of birth, and signature. Once everything is complete and signed, you can take the paperwork to the MVA to finish the transfer. After that, the car will officially be in the new owner's name.